I made sure I got all the tools ready so I don't have to go looking for anything. I put on these little gloves and I spray the gloves, and when I touch Rocky, he won't get zapped, will you, Rocky? He has all different kinds of combs and brushes. This one is a really nice soft one. This is a special grooming brush, but it has also, I don't like the ones that have the, you know, the metal, the really sharp metal pieces. This one has the plastic pieces with the little protectors on the end. And then he has his comb, and then there's the grooming glove. I think that the trick is to get them started young, never overdo it, and go lightly, like be sure you're not hurting them. And most cats really love it on their head, on their cheeks, and under his chin. He's purring right now. Yeah. And then get him a little bit destaticized, and you can see that the fur right here. The other side. He's really purring. He's really purring. We like it right here. Oh. So this is the brush that I'm ending up with right here. Squirt that, some water. So give him a massage and pull some of the loose hair out of his coat. This guy has a lot of fur. Let's see, you'll get more fur and you won't create any static on your cat, and he will eventually love being brushed if he doesn't already. And always give him a little treat afterwards too. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you all have a great day. Bye.